Hello everyone, welcome to the 6th episode of Praxis and Practice, where we talk to our students about their journey from classroom learning to practical experiences. Today I am joined by Prayrana Saha, who has recently completed her internship in ICICI Prudential AMC, and we are going to talk to her about her experience in the journey. Okay, so Prayrana, tell me, wealth management is an area of huge responsibilities, right? And so you tell me, how did you step into that kind of a profile and how did you manage to understand the environment?
So it was actually a very new experience for me. I interned with the retail sales team in the PCG ND Wealth channel. So there I learned about how different wealth management products are distributed and how different teams come together so they can cater to the needs of the investors. My responsibilities included catering to the needs of their investors, supporting them in investor engaging activities, then looking into the databases and collecting the returns from the mutual funds, analyzing them where we can work on. And mainly I worked on a project where we had to look into the growths and the opportunities of this channel.
So Prerna, your project was not only about understanding the data and all, it was also to understand how to grow the business, right? How did you do that? How did you manage to do it?
Firstly, when I got into the company, it was really overwhelming because mutual fund isn't a small universe, it's huge. It contains different products, different investors. We have to cater to their needs. So things were a little difficult at first because data was all I had got. But when I started the journey, I had met the investors. I used to go to the investment talks. Then I understood that mutual fund is thus the bread and butter for the investors. What we need for growing the business or the company is other products that can help HNI clients to invest more. There are products like the specialized investment funds and the alternate investments where the ticket size is also more and even the risk taking ability of the investor should also be more. So for that HNI clients, we should look into much more for the SIF and the alternate investment funds. It will help the business to grow and we can look for many opportunities in that area.
Very good experience, I must say. So Prerna, one last question from my end. In these 2 months of internship at ICICI, what did you learn and what is your takeaway that you have to say?
So one lesson that I will carry forward with me is that business decisions are not only built on data but also on collaborative work starts that when the team comes together to do something, and even for investors to buy your products or to be with you, you have to increase the visibility, you have to confident in pitching your products, you have to go there and be there. So it's not a one day thing, it's a long task. So engaging with the investors and visiting them regularly increased my confidence and also made me take ownership of what I am doing. It also helped me looking into the solutions instantly of what can be done. Entirely, it was a very good experience for me. Thank you, Praxis, and everyone for this opportunity.
Thank you, Prerna, for joining us today and sharing your valuable insights. It will really be helpful to the other students. And thank you, viewers, for watching us again. Keep watching and do like, share, and subscribe.